IKEA series. So this trip is going to be about the home decor items that I saw at IKEA. Those were really at budget friendly prices and the quality was really nice. So without further ado, let's get started in the video.
Starting with this beautiful mirror, IKEA had a huge variety of beautiful mirror and mirror frames. They had almost all possible shapes of frame, and the price of these frames were also very reasonable. For example, this big one was priced at around 3,500. The finishing of this mirror looks so perfect and it will add such a grandeur to the entrance. This stick-on mirror is an invention, I would say. This was priced at Rs 349 for 4. This is very lightweight, so it will stick on the walls. You just need to remove the sticker from behind and place it on the wall. These are all magnifying glasses that we can use in washrooms. Next section is this photo frame section, where you can have a variety of photo frames, be it golden, white or pastel colors. I like the fact that most of these frames are very lightweight, so you can easily hang them on walls. IKEA had variety of shape and size of frames and in various colors as well. These are the frames in pastel color. This is for 129. It is quite lightweight. And similar options were available in white as well. And these are the black ones in the same price range. These are some lantern for tea light, which you can use indoor as well as outdoors. These are some more option of candle holders. And of course they had huge variety of color and shape of candles. Small scented candles were priced at Rs 200 for pack of 30, whereas the block ones, depending on the size, range varied. I really like this owl one in the red color, which illuminates the yellow natural color of any light. It looked very pretty. These are unscented pack of 4 candles in the size 8 cm, which was priced at 199. And this combination of 2 candles was priced at 599. These are also the unscented ones. So yeah, the price varies based on what size you choose and whether you choose scented or unscented ones. Depending on the length of tea light, you can choose the size of candles that you would want to buy. They had these pretty candle holders as well for Rs 99. It had rubber points beneath so that it will safeguard the surface on which you keep these stands. This is again such a beautiful candle light or tea light holder. This was priced at Rs 499, which is like 500, but the quality and the design is really nice. If you have a quirky corner in your home, whether it's a balcony or some place in your home, you can go for these colorful ones as well. Now moving to the next section, which is pot plants. IKEA had again a very beautiful collection of ceramic plants as well as some metal plant pot as well. For example, this beige pot was priced at Rs 500 and this was a 15 cm or 6 inch pot. These metal pots were priced at 250 and it was quite bling and sparkling. So if you're someone who wants to add sparkle to your space, you can add these golden or the silver ones. With a similar design, this vase was priced at 540 and I really like the texture and the color of these. You can also check the design online since these days IKEA is not open, so you can hunt these things online. These titanium glasses were priced at 740 and they had some option of artificial titanium plants as well. What is the point of explaining vase and pot without actual flowers and plants? So let's move to the next section, which is artificial flowers. IKEA had huge variety of artificial flowers in almost all the possible colors. These pink and the red flowers were looking so natural, but it was quite pricey. It was priced at 329 for one strand. So yeah, I found the artificial flowers of IKEA were a bit pricey, but again I couldn't find a similar option online in cheaper price. So if they are priced a bit higher, then the quality were also very similar. For example, this cherry blossom one was priced at 500, though it looked very real, but in one stand there were 4 to 5 branches. So these potted grass was still value for money. It looked quite real and was priced at 550 around. So yeah, it will bring that beauty to any console table or your entrance. These indoor-outdoor hanging plants were also value for money and were priced at around 500 for each vase. These 27 centimeter hanging plants were so beautiful and these were priced at around 800, which I again feel is value for money. And some options of small potted plants priced at ₹60. And in 229, these are the set of 3 succulent or small plants which look quite real and it will surely bring very beauty to either your console table or you can keep it in your washroom. As I said earlier, IKEA had huge variety of artificial plants. You can choose as per your like. These are some cute mini planters with artificial plants, priced at around 300 or 229, yeah. These are artificial succulents like cactus from the cactus family, and these were priced at around 1000, so I found it a bit pricey. Okay, then moving to the next section, which is potted plants. These are some marigold flowers priced at 150 or 130, and I found the quality to be nice, but you can buy similar plants from a nursery as well. But if you happen to go to IKEA, then of course you can buy if you want it. Last but not the least, you need a shelf or a place where you can place all these artificial flowers or pots, right? So they had a good variety of shelf in these golden white or the colorful red ones. I found the price range of these shelves to be quite decent.
So that's it on the IKEA home decor video, and with this my IKEA series ends here. Hope you found these videos to be useful. If so, then please do let me know in the comment section, and if you are new here, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. I'll be coming up with more such interesting videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.